Hi, I'm Tom Newberry, and I think I found a solution to the thin mattress syndrome in RVs. After sleeping only one night on my camper's original equipment mattress, I knew I had to replace it. You see, I'm a side sleeper, and on that first night sleeping, I discovered that the mattress was too thin. So my hips bottomed out on the plywood shelf. Alright, forgive the overhead noise, it's just the USAF doing their thing. As you can see, the mattress here, just an ordinary, no frills mattress, double. And down here, you can see that it's not that thick. It's only 5 inches measured. So I holed up in my office and rummaged around on the web looking for a replacement or remedy to my predicament. I could not find anything to suit my penny-pinching nature. Prices ranged from wild to wild. I wasn't too pleased at what I'd have to spend, so I put my brain in overdrive and came up with the following idea. Pool noodles. Yep. They don't cost much. They're flexible. They have some give to them, right? So I'm going to try these. So how did I put them together? I figured out that if I used a needle and a string, I should be able to knit them together. And I'll show you how I did that. I took some copper wire and I made a needle out of a length of it, the length sufficient enough to penetrate through both sides of a pool noodle. For string, I just used common, ordinary cotton string. Worked fine. So, when stringing the noodle ends together, at the very end, that knot at the end of the string can pull through. And I prevented that by making some square washers, if you will, to increase the surface area so they won't pull through, or it would take quite a bit of force to pull through. And that's at each of the 4 ends of the mattress, 4 corners. And if you'll notice, between the noodles there are 2 gaps, an upper and lower, and the middle hole. And so there's totally adequate circulation of air underneath the original mattress. So I have no fear about having mold underneath the mattress. Here's a shot of the mattress by itself. In situ, so to speak. And with some leftover pool noodles, I made a short, maybe, well, the size was determined by the seat, but I made a seat cushion where in the evenings when I watch my movies, I can just put my feet up on that with my shoes on. This could be on a settee also, but this works very well also for a seat cushion protector. Alright, well there you have it. I hope everything works out if you assemble the same. I see no problems. You know, the width of the noodles is adequate for at least a queen size, which is what I think I have in the trailer. But since using it, I've been super pleased with it. Cost me, let's see, the noodles in the box of 100 cost me something like 50 bucks online. So you divide that by 2 because I used maybe a half, maybe a little more. So $25, $30 for the mattress, for the auxiliary mattress. Totally worth the price as far as I'm concerned, and it'll save you a lot of money, I imagine. See ya. Spam Can, out.